It was a homecoming of sorts for Samford alumnus Eric Motley. The class of '96 graduate is back, headlining the 8th annual Tom and Marla Corts Distinguished Authors Series. His new book, Madison Park, A Place of Hope, chronicles his upbringing in that community and the amazing support he received from it.
I'm talking about relationships and experiences and wonderful memories that were made there in partnership with people who mentored me and my grandparents who reared me, or raised me as I would like to say, and all the people that I've met along the way at every turning, all the incidents, all the accidents and providence of life.
Eric hopes his book is a reminder to all that with a good community and a good support system, anything is possible.
Wherever we are, whatever we're about, there is need for community, and that there is more that unites us and binds us together than separates us. And in a very polarized and fragmented society in which we live, I think it's a wonderful thing to be reminded that there are principles and values and relationships that unite us across all the differences that we bear forth.
And one of those great communities can be found right here at Samford.
At the very cornerstone of this academic enterprise is faith and the biblical insights, an example of Christ that manifests itself in all the Beatitudes and all the commandments and all the rules and principles that govern our lives. And so that's a very powerful proposition to prepare people to be citizens of the world, spiritually, intellectually, civically, morally.
At the conclusion of his lecture, Eric was presented Samford's Man Medal, an honor bestowed to those that have contributed to a more just and ethical world. For Samford University, I'm Brad Radisi.